up? Island Fishing here.
What's up, guys? So hey, check it out. We're in the Florida Keys, and it's windy here like almost all the time. All right.
Yeah. Well, in the winter at least. In the winter time.
True. So we gotta find things to do on these windy days. So this video, we're gonna show you what you can do on some of these windy days.
Yep.
So we can still get out there and go fishing. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching.
All right, stay tuned.
You guys, fishing for a few minutes here. Hey, B, grab the.
Don't take my voodoo.
You wanna hold that?
Yeah, nice little cuda there. Nice.
And saved the voodoo.
Saved the voodoo from those teeth there.
All right, you guys. So we got a barracuda right there.
Yeah.
Big old gnarly teeth on him.
Oh yeah.
And he just crushed that voodoo mullet.
Yep.
That was awesome.
Voodoo mullet's still good.
Voodoo mullet.
Did he survive?
Did he take the tail of that thing or no?
No, man. It's still good. That's awesome.
Oh, I'm wrapped big time.
All right, you guys. Jack's got a snook on here.
Wrapping around the main rope.
Oh, come on, you got him.
I don't know how I'm gonna wrap around that. There we go.
There you go. All right, nice. Got a little Biscayne snook on here. Voodoo mullet.
Nice. Look at him.
Oh, he
Gorgeous.
inhaled it. Here, Jack, bring him over here. I'll land him. Beautiful snook, man. Woo! On that voodoo. Bring him over here, Jack. Whoa.
A little green there.
Yeah, a little green. Got him. Oh, yeah. Nice snook, dude.
That's
Look
sweet.
at that. Gone. Dude, he inhaled it. All right, so Jack got a nice snook here. Just jumped a tarpon, got a nice little snook, man.
Yeah.
On these windy days, guys, you got to find yourself a secluded area, shelter from the wind. And
He's still holding on, so I'm gonna let him hold on for as long as he
yeah, man.
goes.
There he goes.
Peace.
All right, bro.
Yeah. Thanks,
man.
Captain.
Nice work.
So you guys, so what we got here is we got an extremely windy day. I mean, you can see these like these trees are literally like they're shaking because of the wind. It's super windy. We're in this little creek right here, little creek system. And what we have here is like a natural channel. So this is deep because water has been flowing through here for years. So that's why it's a good like maybe 5-6 feet deep at some of the deepest parts in here. And everything sits in here because all this, since you get the incoming tide here, all the water's coming in from the bay and it's bringing in shrimp, crabs, pilchards, glass minnows, silver sides, mullet, like literally everything these fish could really want to eat. And it brings it into these little creeks and they'll sit on the edges in the middle of the channel. They'll pretty much sit everywhere because this acts as a funnel for all that bait and everything out there.
What's up, you guys? So basically what we have here is, again, like I always say, moving water. Yeah, if you look over here, you see this water moving around this point. All right, we didn't find any pilchards this morning and nobody had live shrimp, so we're just gonna go ahead and go with a jig head and a soft plastic. This one happens to be a Berkeley Gulp, so it stinks a little bit.
Yeah, we got a Gulfstream Lures jig head on there.
Gulfstream Lures jig head, super strong hooks. Let's give it a cast, see what happens.
Right there in that little pit. Some moving water rushing through this little thing right here.
Fish
Oh,
on.
we're on. It's got a little mangrove snapper. Oh yeah. There we go.
So there we go, guys.
Yeah, one cast.
Tell you, man, that moving water. And remember,
Damn.
this is a super windy day, guys. So
Yeah,
you know
it's
what?
extremely windy.
Find yourself an area that's secluded, little moving water, the right bait,
Some fish.
you'll find them.
Oh yeah.
All right, you guys, so the tide died on us, yeah?
Yeah.
So the bite shut down, so we just went ahead and came in here to Alabama Jacks.
Right.
For a little
special
Yeah, a little lunch, little lunchtime. I have the B-man captaining the boat today.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
So I can partake in a little, you know,
That's some legendary
good
conch
time.
fritters.
That's right, man. Little conch fritters, man. Little food. Anyway, we'll see if we can catch some more fish. A little blackened fish sandwich.
Oh yeah.
Fried fish. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Can't get wrong with that, man.
Margarita. I mean Bloody Mary number 2.
That's great.
Little local residents at Alabama Jacks right here, guys. They're so used to getting fed, they're like not afraid of anybody. That's so cool, dude. It's crazy. Oh, pardon me. All right, you guys, so that was sick trip to Alabama Jacks. If you're ever down here in Key Largo, you guys, you're on the water, the tide dies on you, man, come over here, Alabama Jacks, man. It was awesome, right?
Bloody Marys and conch fritters.
Come on, man, legit. All right, you guys, so to get these shark lines tied up, man, we're gonna use this haywire twist, okay? So we're gonna get this, get your wire through the hook there, and you're gonna create a little bend about 45 degrees. Pinch right here, grab this real tight, and you're gonna twist 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's on. Nice. All right, go get that.
There was 2 of them, dude. Oh, this thing's flared up, dude. A little bit.
What are you fighting that thing on?
Oh no. Baitcaster, baby. Got on 30 pound. Freaking 15-pound braid. Oh shit.
This 15-pound braid work.
Oh no, I caught a line. Whose line is right here?
Oh, that might be mine.
Yeah, man. You know those sharks.
Juvie sharks. Dude, this thing is fighting
man.
so hard.
Windy day, guys. Windy day fishing, man. You come out to a flat and, you know, you can find something, man. Put some baits out and see what happens, you know? Beautiful little baby lemon shark here.
This thing fought so hard,
Nice,
guys. You don't
dude.
even understand. This thing just took a run all the way to the tree line and back.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Beautiful
what a fish, dude.
Mm-hmm.
These little guys fight like black tips, honestly, dude. Like, this thing did not fight like a lemon at all. Oh my gosh, that is fun. Like,
Heck yeah, dude. Alright, give him a little more slack so you don't break him off. Yeah, there you go.
perfect hook set on him, too.
Yeah, man, nice work. You saw him come in, right? It was sight casting.
Yep. Yeah, there was 2 of them. There's another one, too, back there.
Nice.
The other one's a little bigger.
We've been here, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Nice. Hook set.
Perfect. Right in the corner. Causes minimal harm to the shark. You can release the shark safe. Throw it back again. Throw it bigger. Gorgeous fish. Look at that. Beauty. Man, yeah, pretty fish.
One thing that's important, guys, is you want to point their face into the current so they can catch their breath again and swim away healthy. Same thing with any fish you're doing that you're releasing. Ace. Woo! First one of the afternoon right there. Yeah, man. Let's see if we get a bigger one. it's huge! Oh my lord! Dude, it's a huge houndfish! Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Dude, oh my god!
Are you Monster Mike? What's going on?
Dude, no, it's huge! It's ripping drag, dude! Oh my god! Oh my god!
That is the biggest houndfish I've ever
Oh my god!
Yeah, pretty giant houndfish.
That is a giant! Oh my freaking
Actually,
lord!
that is the biggest freaking houndfish I've ever seen, dude.
Oh my god! That's a Bahamas houndfish right there. Oh my god! What in the world is that thing?
Alright, flip him in.
Oh my gosh! Dude, it's massive! Holy lord! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Dude, it's a giant! Guys, this thing is huge. Look at the size of this thing. This is the biggest houndfish guys I've ever seen. Look at this thing. It's huge. Dude, this thing's got to be over 35 inches. It's huge. Here, let's get the hook. Giant, guys. So that's like a Bahamas houndfish right there. All right. Dream fish right there, dude. All right, you guys, so windy day fishing, man. We found ourselves some protected areas inside the mangroves, that first spot. Alabama Jack's the second spot.
Oh yeah.
And then out here on the flats for the end of the day, man.
It was
Caught
awesome.
a few sharks, jumped a giant spinner shark. I don't think we got it on camera, but we'll get you next time.
And we caught a trophy houndfish, one of my dream fish.
Yeah,
that
man.
was awesome.
That thing was crazy. He lost
So
his mind a little bit, but it was still pretty awesome.
It was still pretty great.
All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a like if you liked the video. Take
Island
care.
Life Fishing.
Island Life Fishing, baby.
Yeah, man.